Humans have always been inventors. From the first tools to the latest gadgets, our desire to find better ways of doing things has shaped the world. Innovation means coming up with new ideas and turning them into reality. It's about solving problems and making our lives easier, more efficient, or simply more interesting. Throughout history, there have been periods of incredible bursts of innovation. These moments, like sparks, ignite massive changes in how we live, work, and interact with each other. These changes don't just happen overnight. They're the result of many minds working on challenges, sharing ideas, and building upon each other's discoveries. One such period was the Industrial Age, a time when machines transformed the world. From the steam engine to the assembly line, these innovations changed the way we manufactured goods, traveled, and lived our lives. But the journey of innovation didn't stop there. It leaped from factories and workshops to the digital realm, ushering in the digital age. The digital age brought us the internet, smartphones, and a constant stream of new technologies that have once again revolutionized our world. Today, innovation is faster and more widespread than ever before. It's not just happening in factories and universities, but in bedrooms, garages, and online communities. The Industrial Age marked a turning point in human history. It was a period where machines, powered by new sources of energy, took center stage. One of the most significant inventions of this era was the steam engine. Invented by James Watt in the 18th century, the steam engine provided a powerful and reliable source of energy. This invention revolutionized transportation with the steam train. Suddenly, people and goods could travel faster and further than ever before. Factories, once reliant on water wheels for power, could now operate on a much larger scale. This led to the mass production of goods, making them more affordable and accessible. Another groundbreaking innovation of the Industrial Age was the assembly line, pioneered by Henry Ford in the early 20th century. The assembly line broke down the manufacturing process into smaller, repetitive tasks. This allowed for increased efficiency and speed in production. With the assembly line, cars, once a luxury only the wealthy could afford, became more affordable for the average person. This had a ripple effect, leading to the growth of new industries like steel, rubber, and oil. The innovations of the Industrial Age didn't just change how things were made, they transformed society as a whole. Cities grew at an unprecedented rate as people moved from rural areas in search of work in factories. This led to new challenges like overcrowding, pollution, and a need for better housing and sanitation. However, the Industrial Age also brought about significant improvements in living standards for many. The mass production of goods meant that everyday items became more affordable and accessible. Advances in medicine and sanitation led to increased life expectancy and improved health. The nature of work itself was also transformed. People went from working on farms and in small workshops to working in large factories. This shift from agrarian to industrial societies had a profound impact on social structures and family life. The Industrial Age was a time of immense change, both positive and negative. It brought about challenges that forced society to adapt, but it also paved the way for the technological advancements we enjoy today. The mid-20th century witnessed the dawn of the digital age, marked by the invention of the transistor and the subsequent development of the computer. These early computers were massive machines, accessible only to large organizations and research institutions, but they held the promise of incredible computing power and the potential to change the world. The invention of the microchip in the 1970s revolutionized computing. Microchips allowed computers to become smaller, faster, and more affordable, paving the way for personal computers to enter homes and offices. This marked the beginning of the personal computing revolution. The late 20th century saw the birth of the internet, another groundbreaking innovation that transformed communication and information sharing. The internet connected people across the globe, creating new possibilities for collaboration, learning, and entertainment. The world was shrinking and information was becoming readily accessible. Building upon these advancements, the 21st century ushered in the era of mobile technology. Smartphones, now an indispensable part of modern life, combined the power of computers with the connectivity of the internet in the palm of our hands. This convergence of technologies has led to an explosion of innovation in mobile apps, social media, and the Internet of Things, connecting our physical world to the digital realm.